I'm Gary Jones with MorphoTrak out of Alexandria, Virginia. We're here today at ISC West 2013 with Fine Biometrics, and we're going to be talking about our face identification system called Argus. There are a few very interesting and unique things about Argus. This particular product is designed for face tracking on the fly out of digital IP feeds. So taking existing IP camera footage, analyzing that on the fly, looking at crowds and detecting enrolled users that come from a watch list or any type of enrolled database that you might want to reference. What makes Argus unique is that we can take a standard two-dimensional photograph, something you could take off your cell phone camera or something you have from a mugshot database as an example, and Argus is able to synthesize that 2D image into a three-dimensional image of the face by synthesizing different angles of view of that same individual from only one two-dimensional image. What this does is it allows Argus to match individuals who are walking rapidly down a particular control point or choke point, and even if that individual happens to be turned away from the camera up to a certain degree, they can still be identified successfully. And I'll demonstrate that very quickly by walking through this particular control point that we have here. So Eva's going to walk through our control point. The camera will detect her face. You can see that by the box that surrounded her face. And as she walks past the control point, immediately on the right-hand side, you see her face show up. In the interim, since I started to move while speaking, the camera has also detected my face. So let's do that one more time for a quick demo. So Eva will walk through the point, and again the face is detected and matched. I'll walk behind her. And again, my face has been detected and matched in the process. So let's talk about where customers could consider using our Argus face identification technology. Its ability to detect faces on the move with traditional IP cameras and its ability to identify either watchlist or enrolled individuals means that it is perfect for use in airports, for security purposes, also for stadiums, detecting, for example, hooligans, a known set of entities that you want to track or trace, and even for employee applications or membership applications. If you think of, for example, a gym where you have a control point and you want to ensure that there is no tailgating. You may have enrolled users or members who you want to allow through, and you may want to be able to detect when people tailgate or try to get through the system without being identified. So either as a standalone solution or as part of a bigger biometric architecture, Argus can provide a great level of security with existing IP infrastructure, IP cameras, and we believe that it can add great benefit both for prevention of issues as well as detection of issues that may have occurred. Its ability to track faces and identify them on the fly is a very, very powerful tool in the security world.